Hello everyone, this is Dody Williams and I am here to share my Graphics Fairy Junk Journal Design Team project with you. This is for the month of December, and so what I've made this time is what I'm calling a Christmas tag book. And the purpose of this book is not only to have a pretty flip book to maybe put out at Christmas time, but also to have a stash of tags that you could grab a tag and put on a present, and then you could make your own to replenish the tags. But the theme for the album, the little journal, is a monochromatic theme except for the cover. Now, the cover comes from the book covers and tin types bundle in the premium website bundles, and originally this says autographs, and I did go in and create the word Christmas and superimpose it over the word autographs so that I could, but I just loved the details in this cover. And what I did do is I don't know if you can see, I did like print it 3 different times, and I raised it up in the center, and then I emphasized the word Christmas. It is sort of a primitive construction. I did use this lovely old twine to put it together with eyelets, metal eyelets, and so let's open it up and just show what I've got going on in here. So I'm going to move that a little bit. So what I've done is I created with various bundles. For instance, I used the Silent Night bundle, Scandinavian Christmas bundle, Angel Ephemera bundle, Angelic Symphony bundle, and some of the different French ephemeras. But for the angels, I made a collage of angels so that I could easily pull from them when I got going on this project. And what I did was I created little mini collages on book pages, just collaged the imagery onto the book pages, and then each page juxtaposed against the collage page. I did make pockets that are full of all kinds of different tags. Now these tags the images aren't necessarily from the Graphics Fairy. I pulled from all kinds of different religious Christmas imagery, and I did keep it to the Mary, Madonna, and Angel sort of imagery for the use in this journal. And here's another pocket that I made, and I'll show you that next. But I just stuffed these pockets, just stuffed them with all kinds of angelic and mother and child imagery to and I didn't punch the tags at all, because I didn't know if who would ever receive this journal in the future, if they would want to punch the tags or not, but they could be punched and placed on a package. On this page, on all of the angels, just to note, all of the angels are sort of covered with a little sheet of mica just to give them sort of a behind glass kind of feeling, and some of them have glitter. For instance, this angel does have glitter on her wings and on her banner. Here's another little tag, and all the tags, some of them are collaged on the back, some of them aren't. But for this one, when you turn the page, I did make this little covered paper clip pocket, and in the pocket there is a little tiny square or rectangular tag in a pocket, and there is also something in this pocket. Yeah, here we go. Another little tag in that pocket, and she just sort of shows through the little notch in the pocket, and it does paper clip over the edge. Then I put a piece of lace on this page, And these tags do come from the Angel Ephemera kit. They're just beautiful by themselves. I printed them off and just stuck them in that pocket. And then this paper clip can just go over like that. These are fun, fun, fun little bits of ephemera to make. And here's another collage. I did tie a bow on this one. You could stick something behind the bow, but I've left it for now, just so you could see the angel. Once again, I put glitter on the angel. You turn the page, and then this page has a belly band. Actually, it's a double belly band. What I did was I put a piece of lace that is reinforced with some bookbinding and some muslin, and then I did put eyelets and tied the sari silk through so that this envelope that I made, and it's an envelope that is made out of just some paper, and it's not a real envelope, I constructed it. And here is a journaling card that could be given, or you could journal on the card, and it's stuck behind the first belly band like that. And then the envelope, which does have another tag in it, one of the and this tag is from the Silent Night kit. I love this. Is one of my most favorite holy card images, this sweet little baby Jesus. Oh, I love that. So I did put that on just on a card that I covered in tea-dyed paper. I have this lovely tea-dyed paper, and I covered the card in the tea-dyed paper, the tag, and then just made a new tag out of it. And then that goes behind the second belly band. So it's like a double belly band, and that hangs over like that. And here's another one of the angels behind Micah with the glitter. And here's some of my primitive tinsel that I just love to use. But they're all done on a collage paper that is all collaged with mostly Graphics Fairy images. This comes from a medieval kit. This is some of the French ephemera and a little bit of old music sheet, but this is also Graphics Fairy imagery. And then you turn that page, and this has a pocket that opens up. In this front piece of the pocket, these comes from the Silent Night bundle. These ornament tags, which are just delightful. I did punch the holes in this one, and I didn't put any strings or anything. My intention is also, which I forgot to do before I made this video, was to put in some butcher string at the back of the journal so you could use it to tie your tags. And then I'm going to move this over a little. This pocket opens up to reveal another pocket with some more tags. These tags I made out of the Scandinavian Christmas. There's digital papers that I cut into these different tags. I just printed them off and cut them in tag shapes. And here's a few more tags cut from various images from different bundles. I love this. This comes from one of the medieval bundles, and then that just folds back up like that. And once again, here we have the collaged page with the angels and the glitter. Then you turn this page. Now this page does have like a corner tuck, and in the corner tuck I do have another one of the little tags I constructed, but then there's another one of the envelopes that I made from scratch, and that is full of more tags from the Angel Ephemera bundle. I did add words to the middles of these tags. They're blank usually, but I did put some words in there and then put them in this little envelope, and then put the envelope to the side and snuggled. There can be more tags put in there behind that. And another collage with another lovely angel. And then we're back to almost to the end of this little journal. I will say this little collage did come from an Etsy shop that I love, A Passion for Paper, and I did just take this little cluster and I made it into a pocket. I did put this round circle that has room to stick something behind. And then in this little glassine bag, I did cut out many of the Silent Night cards and put them into this glassine bag and stick them into this little tuck spot. And then finally at the very back, I did construct this belly band that closes and ties in upon itself. And when you open it up, there are some more tags in there that I made. But they go inside this sweet little belly band that looks like a double envelope that you can close up. And it's all made with tea stain paper. All of the backings on all of the pages is this tea dyed paper. And it really was, I've been making this literally for 2 months because I wanted it to be almost like primitive in nature and simplistic, but it's hard to do simplistic and not go overboard. So I had to really think before I did each page. Once again, I had a lot of fun with that paper clip pocket and that goes over the page there. And all of my pockets are reinforced so that the tags will stay in place. I made sure that they have this piece of cardboard in there that the tags can stick behind so that they'll stay in place. So everybody, I love the Graphics Fairy premium website. The imagery you can get is, it's the best. And I really had fun making this. I've been thinking about this for about a year. I almost tried it last year, but I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. So I did make it this year, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope everyone will have a really Merry Christmas and a really Happy New Year. And thank you so much for letting me share this journal with you. Bye.